Today we're going to talk about stress and learning. Everyone knows that as stress goes up, learning goes down. And I'm sure we've all experienced the increased internal chatter, the increased emotional instability, increased alertness and vigilance that can make it hard to sleep, and an overall decreased ability to focus on tasks, especially the ones that you want to focus on, like studying. It's also been shown that long-term stress can lead to cortical atrophy. So what can you do? Obviously, there are many different therapies, medicines, and techniques to help reduce stress, and you should consult with your licensed physician before trying any of these. I'm going to show a technique that I call the release and reset technique. It's a breathing technique that can help you release stress in under a minute. It starts with the release phase. Begin with a few slow, deep breaths. Make sure to exhale completely. And keep in mind that the precise rate, depth, and rhythm may differ from person to person and even day to day, but always strive for the slow and deep breaths because those are the most relaxing. Next is the reset phase. After your last complete exhale, you're going to hold your breath until you feel the subtle urge to breathe, at which point you'll inhale completely and continue with more slow, deep breaths. Now, if you start to feel faint or dizzy, make sure to resume breathing. And don't do this either. Again, this is not a competition to see how long you can hold your breath. You're holding your breath until you feel that subtle internal urge to resume breathing. And as always, it always works better with a smile. So to recap, you'll begin with a few slow, deep breaths. At the end of your last exhale, hold for as long as comfortable. Then resume more slow, deep breaths, and you can repeat a few times as desired. Make sure to smile and enjoy the immediate reduction in stress that you'll feel. And you'll notice that you'll go from taking tests like this to taking tests like that. This has been the Release and Reset technique. Check back next week for more great tips for free. And if you have any other questions, just ask. Thank you.